Intending candidate of Kakching Assembly constituency, Khetrimayum Kennedy carried out a torch rally in Kakching constituency in correspondence to the revocation of the three farm bills by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. However, the rally was somehow halted by the police. The rally started from Sangai when they were halted by the Kakching police from marching ahead, wherein additional police force were deployed, led by Kakching Police OC, as the reason being non-permission of the rally by the Kakching DC. Khetrimayum Kennedy explained that the march was organized in solidarity to all the farmers, in particular the 700 deceased farmers who fought hard against the three farm bills for more than a year and a half. Moreover, it was also to express gratitude towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi for repealing the three laws, and further added that they planned the rally in a democratic and peaceful manner to the destination of former leader Lamyanba Irabot's statue at Kakching Bazaar. However, Khetrimayum Kennedy expressed unhappiness at the harsh reaction of the police and further stated that the BJP government showed no respect for the democratic movement. Kennedy mentioned the revocation of the three farm bills proved that the Farmers' Union and Indian National Congress' long struggle against the law is now over and can be termed a huge achievement, and it is a big blow to the ruling BJP government. He also praised Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and all Indian farmers for the termination of the farm bills.
Mayamda Sumaina Modi ji na thank you hajage da mawanda farmers ki bill se sarkar ki ain ki mayok to sunate chalisi. Modi ji masa mana ngarang akoi mayam media da India ke ro PTV world pune da this three farm law se akoi se Asi lokthok sare haidana rebuild orne ra moi leijaga coming winter session da natra farmers struggle to farmers sing ri solidarity pijaba loin loin na lamdam se leri ba suri nomli mayam se Kakching ai ba kendra sidi akoi ki is the canary of Manipur, is the rice bowl of Manipur aida mayam ki pukai langen hai ba sigum ba Kakching kendra sida sigum ba farmer ki sumi homa lakpom dan akoi na ke da wi support tori dino hai ba pham du thamjaga se khoi na rally ma sija